when you have paint, caulking, and stuff on the framework, if you're doing a construction clean, you gotta have one of these in your arsenal. It's double-sided. This is a plastic scraper. This ensures you won't scratch the framework. And you can use this on tint actually too. But this will do the same thing. This is a great scraper. And I'll tell you why, because it has a plastic covering. You can also use that in place of one of these. But I think these have more of a sharper edge. Matter of fact, it certainly does. Especially works good on these because it has a rubber gasket. See? You won't risk the chance of messing up the rubber gasket, and you can get right up to that edge without going like this. This saves time. You just get your angle together and then go straight up. Just get your angle. Let's say you have it level like this. If you tilt it a little bit until the angle just almost touches and just go straight up, you can get it without going like this. It saves time. This is by Unger. Very good handheld scraper. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I forget which one. Mac-a-Facka. Peace, peace, peace.